What's up, you guys? We're working on Ethan's S13 today. It's got a CA18 in it with a couple bolt-ons. It's pretty cool. Andrew's just checking the oil pressure gauge right now. I think there might be an issue with the sending unit. We're just checking the gauge, making sure that it is working. Yeah, check this car out.
Hey, Camaro.
Just got a little package. This is from one of our buddies in Vancouver, Nick. Yeah, it should be a S14 SR head. Looks a little dirty. The previous operator didn't like to do oil changes as often as they should have, clearly, but other than that, I'm sure a little hot tank action there. I'll clean it right up. Shim. We've got the shiznit in today, as you can see, and that's exactly what this car is. It is the shiznit.
Money, and it's in the wheel. Hold on.
No, it's not going to start, right?
Well, no, probably.
Got Kelsey's car in. Just put a new rebuilt motor in. Well, I guess not a new rebuilt. The motor's been rebuilt now. And this first fire up runs good. Got brake-in oil in there right now. I'm gonna drain it. Put normal oil in it. Test drive. Seems to be running really good.
I'm just taking apart the suspension on this Camaro here to put in some new BCs. Yeah. We just got the fronts both taken apart on the Camaro. We're about to throw these BCs in. Just getting adjusted, figuring out what we're gonna do and how to get them in, and onto the rears after that. We're getting the spring compressed so we can get these top hats off. Someone's over your shoulder.
Pay attention. People need to learn.
Stop distracting the cameraman. Okay, yeah.
You're distracting Jeffrey. Stop it.
I'm distracted.
Stop it. Film Jeff.
Yep.
No, we don't have time for this.
You fully ruined the clip.
No, you ruined it.
You ruined it.
Now we have to do the whole shoot all over again.
You scared me.
Yeah.
You're standing there.
You scared me.
So I turned around. You ruined the clip.
Well, maybe you should wear your glasses properly. Okay. Is that going to be enough thread engagement?
It's not going to be slammed. It's going to be like this much lower.
No, I think it's gonna be slammed.
You think it's going to be slammed?
I think it's gonna be slammed. Yeah.
Jeff, what do you think?
I think it's gonna be high.
Like higher than stock, or like high for a car with coilovers?
Like high for a car with coil. Like even with the back.
Well, any car.
The back is.
Any car is too high if you have wheel gap. It's definitely going to have wheel gap. So
It's gonna be slightly higher.
you think it's going to be slightly higher?
Wait, can I change my answer now?
Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're just trying to finish up the coilover install on the Camaro. Subaru seems to be running right. Just got to get some insurance so we can road test it. And the R33. Got to go over that car, do fluid change, and get test drive and see what's going on with it. Maybe alignment, we'll see. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Comment, like, subscribe, and look for the next video.